I purchased this for a project. Well, I was gonna install it in my home. I already have a 8-channel 4-camera setup with Swann, which works really, really well. I really like it. So I was going to actually replace that one with this and just plug in the cameras that already run with the wires with this, but it was, I don't know, I changed my mind. I decided to go with the wireless and just add to my Nest system. So this is gonna be more of a look at. I'm gonna unbox it because it's gonna be returned now. I'm not gonna set it up. This is gonna be more of a look at what comes in the box. This was purchased separately. It's an extension. I'm not gonna open this up. I'm just gonna show you the box that we're giving it to you for, I think it was about half price for an additional 100 feet of cable, which was a great price. And I purchased an additional 2 of these. And I was gonna set up a whole 20 camera system, but again, like I told you, running the wires is the hardest part, and that's what changed my mind about these. They work really well. I like the way they work. I could connect wirelessly with, I could connect through the internet with no issues whatsoever, but I'm going to go with the Nest. I have like 3 different types of camera systems in my home, and I have to start reducing the amounts that I have. I actually have Swann, Nest, and Ring. So I couldn't have imagined myself making more hose. Where do I make them? I'm looking to modify some things in my home, and I don't want to get tied down with the fact that I ran cables and then now I can't move them around or anything. So for now, these are going back. It was a great price. The price will be below. I like the current system that they have. So let's just do an unboxing. I'll show you everything that comes inside. is pretty much everything that comes inside except for the additional cameras, which are right there, and the power adapters. Those are in these boxes. I'm not going to take the whole thing out. They're in there. I showed you them. And I have nothing but good things to say about Swann. They just work really well. I've been using mine almost a year now, and it works flawlessly, and it's pretty cool to watch the kids on the TV with the HDMI connection, not needing a phone or anything. It's nice. But you can do that with the Apple TV also with the Nest system. You get the Nest app and you can watch the kids from there. So it's pretty nice. I really, really like the security system. I got nothing negative to say about it, but because of the fact that I just can't see myself running all these cables and wires and making holes that I may regret later, I've decided to return it. So I hope that this video helps in looking at the product. Maybe you needed to see something. Maybe you needed to make sure you have everything that's supposed to come inside. So you can see this video, and I hope it helps in doing that. It only comes with a mouse, and it's really easy to set up. All right, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you.